GoPro in the back?
I feel ridiculous in this skirt. At least everybody's smiling. One of these bikes is not like the others. What? No. Would you happen to have a piece of tape or a sticker? So you see this hole? I just need to cover that hole. It's supposed to have a piece of plastic, but the plastic fell out. There you go. Thank you so much. So there is this dress-up ride today, now that I finally got my helmet taken care of. Nice little piece of tape. It's a dress-up ride. It's called the Fall Formal. Kind of nice that it's taking place around Halloween. I feel a little bit less silly. Formal suits are required. Dress-up stuff for girls. I look silly as all hell. Like my 1950s poodle skirt and this weird sequin tank top that's half falling off. I tried. That was fucking slick. Photo time. How'd you get on the fucking curb?
Open it.
You really?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'm jealous. Woolies in front of me, woolies behind me. fucking haunted house here? Is that what's going on? He did it! I want you to do it again so I can get you on camera.
One more time?
Yeah. Damn! Do you know where that was at?
Way back before those turns.
Alright, I'm gonna go look for it.
I'll wait for you to come back.
Okay. So, guy just told me I lost my GoPro 10. He's like, it fell off the back. I've never had a GoPro fall off the back of my bike before. That might be it. The fucking thing broke. It's already been like mangled. Alright, well, we got it. I found it.
You did?
Yeah, I did. It is damaged. I'm Erica, by the way. Shelby, where are you from?
Actually from here.
What'd you lose?
A GoPro. I mean, I found it. It's broken.
How far back was it?
Not too far. He was like right before those turns. Yeah, it was on the tail of my bike, and I guess it just kind of fell off. The mount itself actually somehow broke. I do, yeah. It's Ehart. Ehart.
I like his monkey. One of these bikes does not like the others. That felt good. Or my tires just cold. Over that curve. I like his monkey.